Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Got me some mint over here and a little grow light next to it, so I can chop off some mint when I need it. Today we're going to make a Samoan fog cutter. A little bit different than a normal fog cutter. A little bit different ingredients as far as orange juice, lemon juice, and of course the three rum, brandy, and gin brands make a lot of difference. So I'm going to use the brands that I have. Bombay Sapphire, Beefeater, Tanqueray would probably be better, maybe different, not sure. Don't have those brands, so I can't test them. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to use 2 of the Trader Vic's Silver. This has very little aroma or taste, so the rest of the ingredients should be able to come through. And 1/2 brandy. I'm going to use the Napoleon. And 1/2 gin. I'm going to use Bombay Sapphire. And 1/2 Liber orgeat. I like the flavor of this. Got a lot of almond flavor. Some people might find it a little bit too strong, but I think it works out well. 1/2. And 1 lemon juice. And 2 orange juice. Orange juice can ruin a drink, but in this case, seems to work well. These are both fresh. Okay, and I'm going to whip that. A couple of cubes in the bottom here. And I've got me a fog cutter mug from Trader Vic's. About 30 shakes, and probably could pour this whole thing in there, but I'm pretty topped down on the ice, so we'll see what happens. And then we're going to float some cream sherry on the top. 1. Straw. Now reach over, get me some of my mint. And there we have it, the Samoan fog cutter. Comes in around 19%, a little bit low on the ABV. But the flavor is there. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.